The Counter-terrorism department managed to dismantle several cells that were operating under the supervision of remnant leaders and were intending to destabilize the country. Among the most prominent of these figures are former Colonel Abdul Karim Habib Ali, Colonel Malik Abu Saleh, Colonel Shidi Adnan Agha, and Colonel Pilot Ghassan Shaban, and Colonel Muhammad Nadim Shab, Brigadier General Pilot Rami Kamba Suleiman, Major General Pilot Riyad Abdullah Youssef, First Lieutenant Wada Ismail, and other influential individuals who were in direct coordination with Suhail Hassan and Maher al-Assad, and who planned and coordinated for the action on the 6th of March.